Yo, what up guys? Good morning. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another vlog. If you're new, help me out, smash that subscribe button. I promise you guys for some good supercar content. So I'm trying to make it out to this supercar run that's going to be happening on June 27th, I believe it is. Yeah, June 27th. It is from Torrance, California, all the way down to San Diego. Dude, that's going to be a dope run. As you guys know, my McLaren has been totaled, and I am in the middle of possibly two supercar purchases. Well, I'm not buying two supercars, but there's two supercars that I'm interested in, and I'm in the middle of, I don't know, just deciding on which one's going to give me the best deal, and that's going to be the decision on taking this next supercar, which I'm pretty positive, since today is the 9th, that I'll have the supercar by the 27th, and definitely going to be hitting this up because I got an invite, and South Bay Auto Club are the people that invited me. So super excited, dude, and of course you guys are going to be coming with me, but I really need to get this damn car, dude, like seriously. It is 6:30 in the morning. I need to get some coffee for this truck, and I need to get some coffee for me too. But yeah, I mean, oh, man, dude. So yesterday I didn't end up vlogging after the lake, like anything. That was the last vlog I did. But yesterday I ended up taking the boat out to Ryan's place. Well, where I bought it. So I went to the dealer that I bought it from, and he said he has pretty much, they said they've never seen that happen. They seen it one time on another kind of boat, and I clearly did not hit anything. So that propeller just snapped right off of the shaft. So like the shaft actually snapped, and they think that it's due to like high RPM, like the vibration or something. It just wasn't balanced right, and then it being in the water, it just completely snapped off. There was no damage to the boat, thank God. Like nothing. It didn't even hit the boat. There's literally nothing. Like he was like, bring me the boat, I need to like see if there was like scratches and before or anything like that. So he said warranty will cover it. He's gonna make sure that warranty covers it. They're also gonna take care of a little bit of stuff that like one of the bags in the back was leaking a little bit of water, so they're gonna take care of that. One of the straps for one of the trailer straps in the back, they're gonna take care of that because the spring tension wasn't there anymore. And then I believe that's it. I think that's all. And they're gonna do a full service on it. So super excited about that. But during this week or next week, I became like pretty good friends with him, with the owner of that dealer, and he invited me to go surf on his boat, possibly this week, if not next week, which is going to be super dope. They actually want to get me in that boat, but that boat is sick though. So you guys will probably be coming along for that also. Right, enough talking, guys. I want to get to today's video. Today is a very special day, as you guys know, for probably the thumbnail or the title. My daughter Sydney, she's 4 years old. She is in preschool, and she actually graduates preschool today. But I'm like definitely going to document all of this for her, so whenever she's in high school, she can go back to my channel and watch herself graduate preschool. So Sydney, if you're watching this and you're in high school, hope you don't get embarrassed by this, but I love you, babe. Anyways, guys, I'm gonna get some fuel for this truck, and then gonna get started with today. Harvesting in 3 different spots, plums, all plums. All right, guys, we can now properly get the day started. As you guys already know, dude, it's so bomb. That is like literally my favorite drink ever. As you guys probably already know from all the times that I drink that stuff. I know it's not good for you, whatever. It's 0 sugar, and it's bomb. And it's bomb. It's fire. Anyways, now I can get my day started. Seatbelt. Oh man. Alrighty. Let's get it. Jordan just got Sydney ready for her graduation. She's all excited. She's actually staring at me right now. She's gonna take pictures of her out here with this, with views on views. Hey,
Dad.
Hey, what are you gonna do right now?
Daddy.
Huh?
Mommy dropped the picture and it broke.
Oh, really?
Mhm.
Where?
The picture when you were holding me, and Mommy took it, and Mommy took the picture, and it was me when I was a baby.
Oh no.
And she broke it.
And what happened?
She broke it right here, and then it broke like this.
Really?
Dad.
What? Are you excited for your graduation?
Why is Mommy taking too long?
Who's that? What family is that?
I don't know.
You don't know?
Mm-mm.
What?
Okay.
I think Mommy is gonna edit that and she's gonna put some words on it, right?
Yep.
Is that what you're doing?
Your first day.
Mom, who is this?
Um.
Who's on this picture?
We don't know. Yeah, we don't know.
Okay. Hold it and say cheese.
Alright, you ready? Mom's gonna take pictures.
Say cheese.
Cheese.
Look down at the picture.
Here, come this way. One more step. Right there.
Stay right there. Over here in front of you. Cheese. Look at Mama. Cheese.
My done.
Yeah.
What's today?
I'm going. Daddy, come on.
Hold this.
Let's go.
One more. We need without those
one more.
pictures didn't turn out. Okay, ready? Say cheese.
Cheese.
Ready, cheese?
Cheese.
Okay, we might have to take those tomorrow.
Alright, we're driving out to her teacher's house because that's where they're doing it, all because of the stupid COVID stuff. But it's like a really happy but sad day, don't you think? Are you gonna cry?
Probably.
Huh.
Probably.
It's gonna suck. She's getting like way too old, way too fast. It's pretty cool though that they are gonna do a little graduation ceremony for them because they weren't even gonna do that. Like they were literally just gonna.
They weren't allowing it.
Yeah, but everything else is opening, so the teacher decided to do it.
And our teacher's even doing their swim party this weekend.
Oh yeah, they're also doing a swim party. It's this weekend?
Yeah.
About to pull up to there. I'm not gonna do a lot of talking there, obviously because it's for her. I told them earlier that we're making a video for like, so she can go back when she's in high school and watch this, since it's gonna be on my platform, and she's probably gonna be embarrassed of it. Like right now that she's just on her little iPad watching Peppa Pig.
Sydney, what would you like to be when you grow up?
I want to be a doctor.
Yay, Sydney!
Well, what does this say?
It says, look who went to preschool, Sydney Gutierrez. Hold it. Say cheese. Look at Mama.
Look over here.
Yay!
Congratulations.
Congratulations.
Can I have a hug? Congratulations, babe. Love you.